Now, this is how you're going to add coloring in the Capcut on iPad. Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials like this one. So there are more ways how you can bump up the colors or add coloring, right? So you can, for example, select the clip like that at the bottom. From the available options, go to Adjust. And at first we have the color correction, right? So you can turn that on and it will just bump up the colors generally to make it more visually appealing. So you can even adjust the intensity, but you don't really control the colors specifically. You can also, instead of that, control the temperature of the colors, which is pretty self-explanatory, and also the saturation right there. But for the saturation to, take place generally for every color, you can use that slider. But the most interesting part of the color grading within a CapCut is, for me, the HSL button right there. This will make the 8 colors show up where you can individually change the hue, saturation, and lightness for those colors. So this is a tool which I've been using in the Adobe Lightroom to color grade my photos, and you can also apply it to the videos here in CapCut. So you kind of have to know what you're doing in here so you can follow some specific tutorials on the internet. But you can, for example, go for the teal and orange look and change the saturation of orange color, or the yellow, or change the hue of that, right? Depends on what exactly you need or which look you're going after. But this is how you can add and change the coloring of your CapCut clips. Let me know in the comments below if you found what you were looking for. If not, let me know what's going on. Perhaps I'll make an updated video about that. I cover so many things about CapCut, iPads, and all of that kind of stuff. So stay tuned by subscribing, by the way, and you're not going to miss those videos as well. But that's it. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.